Hello good people, and welcome to Suncoast Sprayers and Equipment Centers. In this video we're going to show you how to use the new Seal and Lock system for cleaning, restoring, and sealing your driveways, pool decks, walkways, and patios. Seal and Lock is an all-in-one-day application. I think you'll find this video educational as well as entertaining. First, we must pressure wash the area to be sealed. Please notice the use of a surface cleaner. This will provide a more thorough and even cleaning as compared to a pressure washer with a wand. Make sure that you use an overlapping method to ensure the surface is thoroughly cleaned. At this point, you can use the wand to rinse the area to be sealed. Before wet sanding the joints, remove enough of the old sand between the paver joints. Always use a low-pressure wet sanding nozzle, as shown in the image above. And add sand 1/8 of an inch below the chamfer edge of the paver. Notice the appearance of a properly sanded joint. Sand should be 1/8 inch below the paver surface. Here we see improperly sanded joint. Over-sanded joints will not seal properly. Open the container using a razor knife. We are mixing a 2-gallon kit of super wet, but 5-gallon kits are available as well. Always use proper eye protection when handling seal and lock sealers. Next, remove the can of Part B from the pail. Then, remove the pail separator. Part A is in the bottom of the pail. We now stir in Part B into Part A. 2-gallon kits come in a 3-gallon pail, and 5-gallon kits come in a 6-gallon pail. Make sure that when you mix Part A with Part B, you mix it thoroughly. Now you must combine equal parts sealer and water into a larger bucket. Stir the mixture and purge the sprayer until the sealer flows freely. Remember, the seal and lock system is safe for vegetation and it's non-toxic. Apply liberal amounts of sealer to stabilize the joint sand. Stabilizing joint sand is as important as the aesthetics of the pavers. This sealer appears milky when first applied and dries clear. Make sure that you apply the sealer in consistent, even coats, slightly overlapping each coat to avoid dry spots. Notice in the 5 minutes of elapsed time how the sealer has dried clearer. Now we see an elapsed time of 15 minutes. A second coat can be applied immediately. And the cleanup is very simple. Our products easily clean up with only baking soda and water. And here's how that's done. We add 1.5 pounds of baking soda with 3 gallons of water and mix thoroughly. Then we run 3 more gallons of fresh water through the sprayer, a minimum of 3 more times. Your sprayer will be clean when the water runs clear. Here's our before and after shots. A before sealing and after sealing. The difference is spectacular. If you would like to learn more about the Seal and Lock system, contact Suncoast Sprayer and Equipment Centers Incorporated. You can reach them at 1-800-526-7744 or go to their website, pressurewashersandmore.com.